Welcome to this short video on the new ASI SmartBooks Update version 3.8.2. This video will cover some of the new enhancements. For a complete listing of all changes, please review the Update Bulletin. ASI Computer Systems is committed to constant innovation and improvement that is provided to you through the ASI SmartBooks updates. We've recently made several enhancements to make ASI SmartBooks even more dispensable. Here are some of the highlights. The first new enhancement to review will be the record audit list. A new full audit list is available under the Tools menu. Going to the Tools tab of our ribbon menu, under the Control group, and selecting Record Audit. This option will show date and time records for each time a quote, order, or invoice was saved or deleted. We'll go to Search. Each type of record will have a scope list under the Record Audit. Quotes will have a quote audit record list. A quote will show a record when it is saved or deleted. Once deleted, the record will no longer be in the quote manager, and the user will need to use the full record audit list for the date and time the record was deleted. Orders will also have an order record audit list. An order will show a record when it is saved or deleted. Once deleted, the record will no longer be in the order manager, and the user can use the full record audit list for a date and time the record was deleted. Invoices will have an invoice record audit list. An invoice will show a record when it is processed. Once processed, it cannot be deleted. The record audit list also has the ability to group by any one of these columns. Going to our wrench or list view tool, selecting grouping. If I group this by order number, I can now see for each order how many times it was saved. And if I open up the expander, we can then see more detail associated with that order. If I choose to group this by user, drag that up into the group area, I can now see how many times any user inside of ASI SmartBooks saved an order. We'll go ahead and close this option, and this will complete the review of this new enhancement for the record audit list. The next new enhancement to review will be the sales tax integration with TaxJar. TaxJar is a third-party sales tax service available for purchase. This uses API calls to determine sales tax rate based on ship to destination and product categories. When this add-on is enabled, the tax code expander for each address is no longer being displayed in customers, customer contacts, and program contacts. All quotes, orders, and invoices will use TaxJar for determining sales tax codes and rates and for reporting purposes. Previously created quotes, orders, and invoices will show the taxes expander and tax code associated from the time the record was created. They can also be optionally edited, and the user can select to recalculate sales tax using TaxJar. And this will conclude the review for this new enhancement, sales tax integration with TaxJar. And this will also conclude the review of this new ASI SmartBooks Update version 3.8.2.